back to the channel. I'm going to show you a little bit of some Christmas prep. I got to make some more of these cat toys that I've already made for a video. But if you want to see the whole video, we'll have that linked in the description box below. And I also have to make some more oyster crackers, which is on the Cook channel. We'll have that video linked as well. So let's get started. I'm going to start on the oyster crackers, and then once it goes in the oven, we'll work on the cat toys. So let's get started. Okay, well, like I said, we will link the full oyster cracker video in the description box. So it's only just going to be kind of part of it. So this is like last minute. I already made a whole bunch, and we just needed a little bit more. So just going to start the oven and pour the crackers into the pan here, and then I'll make up the mix. And yeah. Need the scissors. These are just the regular ranch oyster crackers. Okey-dokey. So I'm doing that. I forgot to get my little... That's what happens when you're short. I don't know if I can reach it. Nope. Alright, I gotta get that down. Okay, and we're back. I need that. So you know how quick this goes. 1/4, 1/2, 1/4 teaspoon. Ranch. This time I'm gonna mix it around with a spoon. Over the crackers. I'm going to put the cracker on a spoon instead of my hands. Anyway. Ready then. Ranch packet. Oh, by the way, if you've never tried Cincinnati style chili, please do so. It is amazing. We are going to be making some this weekend because it is going to be cold, and my brilliant was, it's cold, it sounds like a good time for chili. Now, chili is like my favorite comfort food, so I can't wait. This is the packet that we have with the Cincinnati style chili seasoning, and it gives you the recipe on the back. It's really good though, so just a little FYI. Okay, ranch. Now, trash. I have to open a new one because that one is just, the other one's just about gone, so. Yeah. It's being difficult. Alright, trying to open the ranch. The garlic powder. Wrong word. There we go. Woo! That's strong. I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight because I do not have a clue. 1/4. Radio. One quarter of this. Okey-dokey. And then 1/2 teaspoon of dillweed. Okay. Now you just need your vegetable oil. guess you can use any kind of oil, I guess. And I've even used olive oil, so. Oops. Here we go. And then, mix. Again, we'll have an actual video of the recipe linked down below. It's on the Cook's channel. Actually did fairly well in views. Okay. Once that is mixed, clean that a little bit. Same with these. We're gonna pour on our crackers over here. There we go. Okay. Now just kind of mix it around with this spoon to get them all nice and coated with it. Way easier than using my hands. Alright. There we go. These can go in the sink, and now we just have to wait for the oven to buzz, and we can put them in the oven. So I'm going to wait for that, and then the next thing we are going to be doing is making more of these catnip cat toys. And hopefully my cat will behave while I'm trying to make them. So you can get a little catnip crazy. Okay, now that the cracker's in the oven, I'm going to be making some more of these catnip cat toys. Again, I've already made a video of that, and we will have that link in the description box below so you can see the whole video of everything that I'm doing, but it's actually quite simple, so I'm only going to make a few of these. I have quite a bit of catnip, but I got to get it off the tree, so let's do that. Right. So, what do I have? Ignore the mic cord. I have this bowl here because that's what I like to do. They're like these little stems. So I like to take them off the stems first. If I can, they're kind of crunched up in here. Oops. Dang it. That is not going in the bowl. Mister, I see you. He's staring over there. What's these? Okay. That should be good. Oh. Of course, it would help if I had all my other stuff. I'll be right back. Okay. We're back. I got the stuff. Help if I had the fabric and the ribbon and the string there. I technically only need to make 2 of these. since I already have 2 made. But I will have to make more eventually because there's a lot of catnip. I grew quite a bit this year. Anyway, I decided I'm going to use this fabric that I also got from Dollar Tree. It's actually Halloween black cat fabric, but it really doesn't look like it. It's just green with black cats on it. So. Yeah, I see a lot of what the stores have actually on TikTok. My favorite stores anyway, Five Below and Dollar Tree. That's how I find out a lot of the times the new stuff that they have. Sometimes I see it in YouTube videos, but a lot of times it's TikTok. Okay, so I'm only gonna make like one of these because I've already made a whole video about doing this. So you know how it goes. You just cut your fabric how big that you want it, and then okay, so you got your fabric like that. You take your catnip like that, and you just roll. Yeah, you're staring. He's still staring over there. Next, you take some of your string here and you tie up the ends. And you gotta do the other end. A little bit more string. I honestly didn't know I could grow this much catnip, by the way. It just kind of happened and I was trying to figure out what to do with it. So, that did not work. Okay. Come on. There. So then, you have both of your sides together. Oh, come on. This one was a little loose, so. And if it would go under, likes to be a bit of a pain in the butt sometimes. There we go. And there you go. Now, okay. So, lastly, just take some of your ribbon and tie it around the end. or however you want to tie it. Alright, and the other side. Oh, come on. This one doesn't want to cooperate. Almost got it. Oops, that's the oven. And there you go. Now I have to go get the oven. And here's what the oyster crackers look like fresh out of the oven. So there you go. That's a little bit of my Christmas prep. I am, as you can see, the Christmas tree and all the presents over there. I have been done with shopping. I always try to get mine done early so I don't have to worry about it. But there are a few last minute things I had to do. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a Christmas prep video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget that little bell icon so you know videos coming out, and as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below. And of course, both the videos for the oyster cracker recipe and my cat toy will be linked down below as well, so you can check out the full video of each of those. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you for watching.